OFX, what's popping? So insanely simple Forex strategy, day trading strategy, crypto trading strategy, whatever thing that you trade, commodities, gold, whatever. This thing works for everything. Okay. Insanely simple, four-step strategy, right? So number one is price action. So we want price to tell us what it wants to do. We want price to tell us where it's going. Okay. And price is your biggest indicator. Price action is pretty much the only thing that you really need to know where we want to go. So if we look at price right here, look how we had multiple rejections. Whoops, multiple rejections from this high. Rejection, rejection, right? And then look, notice how price right here is just straight down, straight down, straight down. How price is like barely pulling back and just going really, really hard down. So that is a huge indicator that we're going to keep dropping, right? So that in of itself, we don't even really need to go to the higher time frames except to find TPs and to find where price might start to reversal from. But besides that, we don't really need to do that. So now that's number one. Price is telling us where it wants to go. Price is having multiple rejections, big drops, right? Like telling us what it wants to do. That's number one. Number two is we need to have a level, right? So support or resistance level. Okay. So now let's look at this. We have a level right here. We have a strong break and close below. Now we have a support, turn into resistance. Okay, so now this anywhere in this whole vicinity could be our entry point. Okay, so that kind of leads into the third one already, which is we need a strong breakout slash closure. Okay. So usually it'll be a engulfing pretty much all the time. Have a strong breakout and close below. And this is why this works so well and why we get TPs hit so quick is because we're pretty much already having price give us that momentum. We're already having price tell us what it wants to do. We're already having momentum go our way, and then we get a strong engulfing breakout closure. And then that's kind of like the finalized thing of like, okay, we're definitely going this way. Okay, so we need those three things: price, level, support resistance, and then a strong breakout and closure. Now, the fourth thing is one of these POIs. So a demand zone, a supply zone, hidden demand, hidden supply, and these two don't happen very often, but they do happen sometimes. Now, the last one, okay, the POIs. Right, so the POIs. So let's look at this one, okay? So this one first and then this one. So we have this strong level, really strong breakout, closure below, okay? And now what is this? Okay, a supply zone. Now we have a supply zone right here. Boom. We could put our sell limit right there, stop loss right above, bang, come up, tap it, right? And then the same thing for this. So we have a strong breakout closure. We have this entire level. We go down to the 30, the 15, 5, and we basically just see which one looks the best. So now, if we go to this, we have this one right here. Bang, just like that, right? And this one is that. Put our sell limit right there. Bang, tapped it, drop, right? And then the same thing over here, same thing over here. It's a very, very simple strategy. So now let's go on GJ. We had the same type of thing on GJ happen. So same thing. So go back right here. First off, let's look at price action. So look at how price is just dropping really, really hard. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's look at it. We had a big, strong push right here. We had multiple price come back up to this level multiple times and still reject. It's telling you what it wants to do. It's telling you where it wants to go. And price is straight down pretty much. And then we have this level created. We have a strong push down. Okay. Now we draw a box around the level. 30, 15, 5. Look at that. Entry, right? And also over here, we have the previous level, another hidden supply zone. Okay, we have the previous level over here. This one was a hidden supply. Okay, and if you notice, they're all around the area where we just had a strong break and closure below. Strong break, closure below, level POI. Strong break, closure below, level POI. Strong break, closure below, level POI. Right? And now we go to gold. Gold had one trade this week, and I messed up and just for some reason didn't take it. But look at this. Let's look at what price is telling us. Okay. Go to the daily. Price has pretty much been in this bearish channel for a while now. Okay, we have a big strong wick right here, so we might start to pull back up. But look what we do at this level. We have this entire level. Look at these two candles that break structure over here once we get up to that level. Right? We have this big push that breaks structure, right? Pull back up, multiple rejections again, strong push, okay? And then we have this level right here created. So we can, right when this level happens, we can drop this entire box around this entire level and everything. Go to the 30, go to the 15, go to the 5. Look what we see. Bang, bang, hidden supply, right? So then we put our sell limit there. Our TP is going to be the next level down here, right here, wherever you want to take it. Price comes back up, taps it, drops. That's all it is. It's very, very simple. It's those 4 simple steps. The main thing you need to be able to do is understand price action. You have to understand what price is telling you, where price wants to go, find levels of support or resistance, wait for a strong breakout and a closure, and then use one of the 6 POIs that we have. And that's it. Very, very simple, stupid trading strategy. OFX out.